So here we have our frozen discs and a pound of ground beef to cook for the filling. So here we use a skillet to make the ground beef in, season it however you like. And this is my finished product. Once you got everything set up, you got your thawed out discs that come already pre-cut, because this is the easy way. Get yourself a spoonful of the filling, which is just ground beef. And then just hold it on over. Hold it down. I use a fork just to add a closure, but I make it look nice after. Once you got it sealed all the way around like so, you do one of these things. This is just something I picked up from years of doing this. Ta-da! Easy peasy. This part is also totally optional. If you want to add to the filling, you can pretty much add whatever you want, honestly. This is just what I like to put in it. Whoops. Y'all didn't see that. Just sprinkle a little Mexican 4-cheese blend here. You don't want to overfill it because then it becomes harder to close. And then you stretch this out a little wee bit here. Try to keep everything inside. The good thing about this dough is that it's stretchable, so you can stretch it out. Most people would just leave it forked like that. I just don't like the way it looks. So I just pinch, flip, pinch, flip. Since this one has cheese, I'll do like just some markings to distinguish it from the ones that don't have cheese. Voila. Well, here we have them all made and marked and ready to be cooked. All we gotta do is wait for the deep fryer to get up to temperature, and we can get started on deep frying our empanadas. And here is the finished product. You want to cook them until they get this nice golden color, not more than that. Seeing as how they're pretty thin and the meat's cooked inside, you don't have to cook them for that long, so you want to use high heat. Just keep an eye on them. Make sure that they don't overcook. And that's basically it, and you're done. Next, all you do is enjoy your freshly made empanadas. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you out in making them.